Hey guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Alright guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm actually here to show you an amazing remedy that would actually help you in your hands. If you're actually among the categories of people that tend to age faster on your hands, or if you're not even aging on your hands and your hands are actually looking rough, dry, freaky, not even with every part of your skin, yes, I've got a solution for you guys. This remedy that I'm going to be showing you today would actually help you to even out your hands, soften your hands, and make your hands look soft, smooth, and glow also. Okay, so it's actually a very simple remedy that's require very simple homemade ingredient, but it is quite powerful and quite effective. So let me take you right into this video so you could see all of these amazing ingredients and you would try them out by yourself. Let's go. So to prevent those wrinkles on the hand and have a very healthy hands, remove all of those ageness, roughness. If you're among the categories of people that your hands are usually looking darker than your body and as if it's actually whitish, rough, and age, the very first ingredient we're going to be making use of in this particular video is this, and this is bicarbonate of soda, which is also called baking soda. Now baking soda is an amazing ingredient that helps so much for the skin because it scrub out all of the dead skin cells that is actually responsible in making your skin look aged and rough, and it also helps so much to remove all of your clogged pores by removing it from the skin. Okay, so when you use this to scrub your skin, you're going to see a whole lot of improvements. Okay, and bicarbonate of soda is also great in giving your skin that soft texture. So what you're going to do, you're going to be needing, depending on the quantity that you want to make. Okay, so for me, I just want to make a little one that I'm just going to be using to scrub out my hands, and so I can have a very younger and more fresher looking hands. So I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of baking soda. All right, so this is baking soda, this is bicarbonate of soda, guys. So sometimes your baking soda would be, it will contain some seeds. It's just for it to mash it, or you can use a liquid substance to literally put it inside, and then it's gonna dissolve. Okay, so just like that. And then the very next ingredient that is very needed is this, and this is honey. Guys, honey is a great moisturizing agent to the skin, so we need that a whole lot when it comes to removing wrinkles and when it comes to getting rid of all of those age problems on the skin. All right, so you need honey a whole lot because it will help to soften your hands, which is what we want a whole lot. And then we're going to be putting just a little quantity of honey into this mix, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey you're going to be putting in. Okay, putting the honey, you have to mix this, although it's not going to be a very smooth mix. All right, because honey is thick. So after that is done, you need something to moisturize the skin and leave your skin looking supple and young, guys. So you're gonna be needing petroleum jelly. Now for some people, you know, that actually react to petroleum jelly, you can actually also use carrot oil, okay, or you can use avocado oil, right? But if you feel that you're very comfortable with petroleum jelly but you do not have petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline, you can also use coconut oil. Because what we're aiming at is to moisturize and soften your hands and to prevent and get rid of wrinkles on your hands. All right, so you're not necessarily looking to lighten the hands up. So another ingredient that is very needed in this particular treatment is this, and this is sugar. This is sugar, guys. So you can either use brown sugar or you can use white sugar. All right, so in here I have my white sugar because my brown sugar is exhausted. But before putting in the sugar, I'm trying to make sure that I could mix this properly and mix it very well. Okay, so that is actually a very good mix. So I'm gonna be putting sugar in it. All right, depending on how much or how plenty you want the treatment to be, you can just put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of your sugar. All right, then we'll mix. Now when you mix this up, it's gonna be looking kind of thick, so you're gonna be needing just a little bit of oil. Okay, here I have my olive oil, so I just put in a little olive oil into this. You can use any oil of your choice, or you can even dilute it with just a little bit of water, and that will be great. So I just put in a little water so that this mixture can be very friendly. Alright guys, so this is the consistency. It's actually a very friendly and loose consistency. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, you're going to use this to scrub your skin. So you grab this, and if you're actually having that roughness on your hands, you basically scrub your skin in a circular motion, guys. Just a circular motion would actually help you to, you know, keep your skin hydrated, remove wrinkles, get rid of fine lines, and basically renew your skin. Do not forget to scrub your palm because it's very necessary. You know, as ladies, we want our palms very soft. So when you use this, it's going to help to soften out your palm. You guys know, like, When we start scrubbing, we tend to scrub the left part of our hands. The left part of our hands is well favored than the right part, but most times the right part is usually darker and it looks more aged than that of the left. So do not forget to also scrub it, okay? In fact, you can even start by scrubbing the right part. Alright guys, so you can also concentrate on the knuckle area and scrub it all out and have a very even and a very uniform hands. Basically, in case you're actually experiencing dark knuckles, this is not going to lighten you. It's basically going to soften the knuckles, and so that when you use another scrub, okay, for your knuckle, is going to help to lighten your knuckle and give you that uniform hands, basically. All right, so here we go. So go use this and try it. Okay guys, so that's it. That is an amazing ingredient that helps so much, you know, to remove wrinkles on your hands, you know, that is actually, you know, making your hands look rough, old and aged. Okay, so this is one amazing remedy that works so well. So you are definitely going to be loving this when you try this out. Okay, so go give this a go, and I'm very sure you are definitely gonna be loving it, because this is superb. This is amazing. This works really well, and I'll see you again in my next video guys. Bye.